If you are a vlogger or a content creator, then Sony has launched a very good camera for you guys. So let us see the review and the demo. For more such videos and technical solutions, do subscribe my channel. Also, you can follow me on LinkedIn. ID is mentioned in the description. And you can also post your queries and suggestions in the comment box. I would definitely respond to those. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.